Today I'm hoping to get finished my new jewellery collection. I ran out of clay last weekend. These are the pieces that I've made so far. As you can see, like a little daisy print. This is a nice little pendant. That's the back of it there. This is what I'm hoping to get made today. These little discs. This is going to be a nice little daisy chain bracelet. I've also made a couple of some stud earrings, and this is a little cute little daisy chain necklace. Really tiny discs. This is also going to be an anklet as well. Because I'm new to metal clay, I actually ran out of clay last weekend, so I couldn't finish my collection, and it is going to be a summer collection, but summer started 2 days ago, so I'm a little bit late. So today I want to get cracked on and get these finished. Okay, I need to try and make 13 of those little discs. So I'm not sure how much clay I will be needing. So we'll just take half and we'll see how far we get with that. It's quite a hot day today, so I'm not working in the conservatory where I've got the best light. I'm in the dining room. I run my business from home, so I'm on my dining room table at the moment. And my cards, I've got 4 cards. Some people do 5. I start with 4. I wanted this design, so this is 4 down to 3 basically. So you start with 4 playing cards, roll, and then take 1 card off, and then put your daisy pattern on top. So everything's got some badger balm on, so hopefully we'll have nothing sticking. There we go. And as you can see, my cards are very cute. Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy. That's one of our favourite, mine and my daughter's favourite TV shows. It has to be the BBC long version though, not the recent one. I say recent, it's probably ancient now. This is my little texture mat with all the daisies on. I bought this from an online shop. I'll put the link in the description. I also use this texture mat for the back as well. I found if you use a flat surface, you have to do a lot of sanding to get the back really crisp. Whereas if I use a texture mat, I don't really have to worry about the back so much. Because this is what it looks like, which I quite like. And you can leave it like that, so there's no polishing or no faffing around trying to get that look pretty. I'll also put the link to that in the description. So I've just got these circle cutters, and I've noticed one side is a circle and one side is a bit more of an oval shape, so just be careful to check that out. Actually, there we go. So we're going to get 4 there. I just need a little tool. I've forgotten. There we go. So hopefully these will come off really easily, because I have put badger balm on the bottom. I don't want to try and make it go. That's a really pretty one. Give that a little pat down. Not sure if I've maybe lost the shape of that one. Yeah, you can see I've lost the shape of that one, but it can all be manipulated at this point to make it more of a round shape. And what I sometimes do is get my little tool here just try and get it a little bit more round. You can also, when it's been dried, you can also do, that's when you do the sanding and refining, so you don't have to worry so much. As long as you're happy with the pattern, everything else can be sanded and refined tomorrow. So there we go, we've got 4 little discs. I don't think I'm going to get 13 out of half a packet, but we'll keep going. I'm just going to put a little bit more release balm on here. It should come off a little bit easier than it did. Right, we're back onto our 4 cards. And we'll do the process again. One of the problems I've got is I have a border terrier living with me, and I find dog hairs in the most unusual places. So just double check again, you've not got the over, yeah, that's the round side. One, two, three, four, five, 6. So I need to make 13 to finish this bracelet, but I also need to make some drop earrings as well, and then I'll be really happy and I can get this collection out, hopefully in a couple of days. I don't have a kiln at home, so I have to wait 24 hours for everything to dry, and then I will torch fire this tomorrow. And then get it all polished. Do any soldering of the earring backs. That's a really pretty one. So I think we're going to have to go and get some more clay out of the pack. Let's have a look here. I'm not sure if I can get another one squeezed in there. Let's have a look. I don't think I can actually. So we're getting there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see here a little bit of clay has got stuck in here, so it needs a little bit more release on there. So hopefully we might get there. Came off a lot better. So that's enough to finish the bracelet. I just want to get a couple more so I can make some really nice drop earrings as well. And then I will save the rest of the clay for another project. I wish I could remember which way was which. I'm driving myself quite mad. Hopefully that will be big enough. Yay, I think it is. So this is how much clay I've got left. Which is quite a nice amount, really. I may do a lariat necklace with some more discs, but I think I'm running out of time if I want to launch this for summer. So now the plan will be, it's got to dry. Put the clay back in there. This has got to dry now for 24 hours. All the moisture's got to come out of it. I'll just leave it on here, and then tomorrow we have to sand it. We have to drill the holes. What I will do with the holes now, I will put a little place where I want the holes to go. Then it makes tomorrow a little bit easier. You kind of want to put a little hole there. Just to mark where you want the hole to go tomorrow for the jump rings. Try and get it perfectly straight if you can. I found this difficult the last time I did it and I made some mistakes. I think that's the thing with metal clay. If you make a mistake, you just go again. I will drill these holes properly tomorrow. I will sand all the discs, make sure they're all smooth before they get fired. A little bit off with that one, I think. Okay, That's what they're looking like now. We'll leave these to dry and then we'll come back to it tomorrow to drill the holes and then torch them, ready to be made into this.